The first section in the book is for standard base pain points, and these pain points are used for all different types of pains. This one point alone at the ear apex here at the very top of the ear is recognized by the World Health Organization to treat over 200 diseases. So there's a lot that auricular therapy can do, and acupressure. These points can be used with needles as well, but I wanted something so that the layperson could use this and use something to treat their pain at home. So let's dive in here. In the first standard pain points, the first point is the apex point. The apex point is found if you fold the ear in half vertically, the area where the tip of the ear creases, that's the apex point. The next one is sympathetic nervous system. So you're going to follow this little groove here and follow that up inside to where it meets the inside flap of the ear. And that's why in the book here we have all the points that are in stars, mean they're on the inside flap of the ear. So do take note of that. The regular circles in the book just show where points are, and they're on the outer part of the ear. So the apex is on top, the sympathetic is underneath here on the inside flap. The liver is up. If you cut the ear in half from this middle groove, it's called the helix crus here. If you cut the ear in half and kind of put it up a little bit towards the top here, cut the ear in half, it's up on this portion here. It's not just straight back like this, but it's also slightly upwards, and that's why I put the star in there, so you can kind of get that. The next point is the subcortex part of the brain, and now to locate the very tip, this area is called the antitragus. Find the tip of the antitragus, and then follow that down on the inside where that would meet the inside part of the wall of the ear. So that's where it's showing a star on the inside. So those are the standard pain points, and those alone can treat all these different types of pains or other pains that aren't listed in the book that you may have.